Industry customers love Unity. It gives them access to a powerful 3D engine to build interactive experiences. But that's just the beginning. After creation, customers are left asking, how can this be deployed at scale? Support for distribution doesn't exist. There is no seamless way to manage content, track analytics, or scale across devices. This is the market gap, and this is where EducationXR comes in. EducationXR is a new industry offering that focuses on bringing customers directly inside the Unity editor, offering a very robust creation ecosystem that targets all platforms, including VR. Some of its key features are the following. With a single button push, all content created with EducationXR is immediately available on all phones, tablets, desktops, and VR headsets. No app builds, no local installs, no headaches. All content created with EducationXR is automatically multiplayer, so users can connect with each other regardless of device and regardless of location. Supported multilingual voice AI assistants are fully configurable through custom prompts and allow end users to ask questions and obtain immediate feedback based on the customer's document knowledge database. Track user performance with our analytics engine, such as usage, objectives, assessment outcomes, and more. EducationXR supports SSO for secure authentication and is ISO 27001 certified as well as GDPR compliant. Your data is secure and safe. EducationXR transforms Unity-created content into a full-fledged industry ecosystem. With a Unity industry license, customers have creation power, but without EducationXR, they're stuck in pilot mode. Customers can roll out standardized content across all devices, all from one centralized platform. Their content is always kept relevant as the platform is always evolving to stay at the forefront of interactive technology. The creation tools adapt to the skill level of different creators. Push updates, track performance, enforce compliance, all without IT bottlenecks. Cloud instant deployment, cross-device support, analytics, content, and user management. EducationXR is what customers assume Unity industry already provides, but doesn't. And it's what turns interactive prototypes into real, repeatable, measurable content. EducationXR is built directly on the Unity editor and provides access to unique tools for creators of all skill levels. Drag and drop tools, a visual scripting language, and C# scripting. The creator population now expands beyond developers to also include 3D artists, instructional designers, marketing professionals, product owners, and more. To date, organizations from the following verticals use EducationXR. And many different use cases have been tackled to date. Unity and EducationXR together deliver on the complete industry ecosystem solution that customers have been waiting for. EducationXR transforms Unity from a developer tool into a full industry scalable solution. It eliminates IT roadblocks and simplifies deployment across devices. It improves onboarding speed and tracks real learning outcomes. It reduces costs and increases development speed. It increases the strategic value of their Unity investment across the organization. It delivers on the promise to make Unity the most scalable, flexible, and industry-ready interactive content platform in the world.